From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Question 14 of 2025 WAEC Mathematics OBJ says, write 0.0364891 in three significant figures and express the answer in standard form. What does standard form mean? To express a number in standard form simply means to put it in this form: a times 10 to the power n, where a is a number between 1 and 10, 1 and 10 exclusive, and n is an integer. So, and to write this in three significant figures. By significant figure, we mean the first digit that is non-zero. So the first significant figure is the first digit that is not zero, which is 3. So from this 3, we start counting significant figures. So this is the first significant figure, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We are interested in 3 significant figures, which means 1, 2, 3. So we have 0.036. This third one, you have to check if the subsequent figure is 5 and above. If it is, we round up and add it to here. So this will become 5. So this is the correct 3 significant figure. But this is not where it stops. It said we should express our answer in standard form. So we have to put it in this form. So we take it 1, 2, such that this is where it is between 1 and 10. So it is 3.65 times 10. How many times do we move? 2 times. We move from left to right. It's negative, so minus 2. And so the correct option is D. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Bye.